Today I'm doing something different. I'm going to walk you through a real creator audit, and I'm going to show you exactly where the money is hiding, because most creators are closer to revenue than they think. They just can't see it. And today, I'm going to show you how to find it. Hi there, I'm Ralph E. Stepp Jr. I'm a licensed accountant. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I'm a business coach, and I'm known as the content creator's accountant. And I'm going to tell you from the beginning, I don't chase followers. I help you find dollars. I help you find that money already inside your content. Because let me tell you right now, your show's already a business, and I'm going to show you how to make it more profitable. So let me tell you what I'm going to do today. Today, I'm going to break down 4 things. We're going to talk about the audience. We're going to talk about the content. We're going to talk about the monetization gaps, and I'm going to show you some hidden opportunities. And then I'm going to tell you how you turn that show into income. So you ask yourself as you listen to this, is this happening in my content? Because guess what? It probably is. Well, let's get right into today's teaching. I want to talk today about a real show with real numbers. Somebody had great content, a loyal audience, but $0 in revenue. The gap I'm talking about today is structure. It's not about talent. So let's get right into my creator overview for today. Let's talk about this weekly podcast. This person is putting out a show every single week. They got 3,000 listeners per episode. They've got content which is hugely helpful. It's consistent and it's well produced. And their content is engaging strong with the audience. Like I said earlier, their revenue is nothing. That's not a content problem. That's a monetization problem. So let's get into the analysis. I'm going to start with the audience first. Let's talk about who's listening. This particular show has small business owners who are trying to grow revenue listening to this show. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, that's a high value audience. These aren't casual strolling past, oh, I happen to find your show. These are people that understand what they're getting. These folks have real problems. They've got real urgency. And here's the even better part. From the financial side, I'm the finance guy. The benefit to this whole thing is they've got a real ability to pay you. The audience isn't the issue here. The audience is actually the opportunity, which is why we've got to get into the problem identification. There's 3 problems that surface again and again for this particular show. And that's these 3 things. Inconsistent income, feast or famine, lack of systems. It's all in their head. And pricing confusion. These small business owners are undercharging and they're guessing. And I don't have to tell you, these are expensive problems. And they're costing these small business people money every single month. But here's the most beautiful part for you as the content creator. Expensive problems are monetizable problems. This is exactly what you want. This is the audience you need. Well, let's go back to that show. Let's talk about the current monetization of that show. What are they doing to earn? They're not doing anything. They've got no offer. They've got no service. They've got no system, just content. I talked about this a couple weeks ago. It's the store with the doors open and empty shelves. Now, you might be watching or listening right now. You're like, Ralph, you're talking about my show. I might very well be talking about your show because they're creating value, but they never capture it. So how do we stop the gaps? How do we plug those gaps in this boat? Here's gap number 1. There's no offer. There's nothing to buy. You got interest and the people are coming to the show every week. They have interest, but there's nowhere for them to go. So ask yourself right now in your show, do you have an offer? Are you providing great content? My guess is you probably are. People have an interest in what you're promoting, but there's no place for them to go. That's the first gap. The second gap is there's no positioning. Helpful content, great. We talked about this. This is an audience of small business people. This person is giving them information of how to charge more, how to make better use of their time. It's hugely helpful content. But he's not or she's not promoting herself as the solution provider. That's the second gap. In your show right now, are you showcasing yourself as the solution provider or are you just showing content? And here's gap number 3. There's no revenue system. There's no funnel. There's no call to action. and there's no conversion path. Now, I'm being real careful. I don't want to call out this particular show. That's why I've been sort of alluding to it, because I don't want to call anybody out personally. But maybe right now you're sitting here going, Ralph, this is exactly what's going on with my show. You're seeing it yourself. Attention's coming in, but the money never follows. That right there is the monetization gap. So let's get into that monetization gap. Let's talk about the hidden opportunities in just about every single person's content. Here's the first option: consulting. This particular show, this person is providing value to small business owners. He's showing them how to fix pricing. He's showing them how to build systems. He's showing them how to build revenue. Just think about it for one moment. If he could find 5 members of the audience, just 5, and charge them a $2,000 consulting fee, guess what? How much money is that? We talked about this last week. That's 10 grand. He just needs 2 out of 1,000 listeners to say yes. Like I said, he's got 3,000 listeners. He gets 5 people from that. That's 10 grand. That's the first opportunity. Here's the second opportunity. A lot of people don't think about this one. Group coaching. Because you might be saying to yourself, wait a minute, Ralph, I don't know if anybody's going to pay $2,000. Maybe I can't find 5 people to pay $2,000, but you know what? I might be able to find 10 people to pay $500. And see, that's the beauty of group coaching. Lower price, and it's scalable. You can bring more people into the room. So find 10 people at $500. Guess what? That's 5 grand. Find 20 people, there's $10,000 again. All in group coaching. Here's a third opportunity. A lot of people miss this one. Digital products. This particular show is perfect for this. He could build templates. He could show frameworks. He could build guides. And the beauty of that is you build it once and it's sold again and again and again. Just think about pricing that at $50. If he could get 30 people to agree at $50, that's $1,500 per episode. And here's the best part. You don't have to do just one. You can stack all 3 of these things. And then you've got $16,000 off of content that you're already building. It's already there. This isn't some hypothetical pie in the sky idea. This is practical, and this is available to you right now. As I've talked about on this show, and you're probably saying, Ralph, you keep saying it, it's all about the audience, their problem, and the offer. This creator has a wonderful audience. Yes, great audience. The problem, absolutely. But no offer. And no offer means no revenue. It's that simple. It's really that simple. If you've got no offer, if you've got nothing to sell, you're never going to make any revenue with your content. Let's do a little before and after. Content only, no offer, no system, $0. But afterwards, with clear positioning and just making one offer, let's just say we do that 5 at $2,000 offer, one system that he could build to show somebody 5 people, that's $10,000. Nothing about the content changed. It's the same content. The only difference is now we've built a structure. Same content, different structure. That's the whole difference. Now listen, I want you to trust what I'm saying, but I'm not the only one saying it. Look at Adam Schwabel. He does a thing called Podcasting Business School, and he teaches service providers the exact same thing. He said it this way. He said, a podcast with no offer is a hobby, not a business. Jay Klaus, something called Creator Science, built his whole show on it. He said it, creators leave real money on the table with no system to capture it. And then there's Colin and Samir. Proof of the after, a loyal audience turned into a real creator business. Different people, all 3 of these guys, different people, but the same conclusion. The smartest people in this space agree on one thing. Attention is not income until you build the bridge between them. That's what we're talking about today, building a bridge. And now you're thinking, Ralph, this sounds exactly like my show. You're not alone feeling that way. Most creators have these gaps because you can't see your own books. You can't see what's in front of you. That's where I come in. So go to contentcreatorsaccountant.com/audit and apply for a content monetization audit. I'll walk through your show just like I did with this show, and I'll show you where you can make money with your content. Again, that's contentcreatorsaccountant.com/audit. All right, now let me give you some action steps because this is where I'm going to deliver value to you right now. Here's the things you got to do. Number one thing, look at your audience. This isn't some passive review. This is who are they really? Who is listening to your content? Who is watching your content? Look at your audience and know who they are. That's step one. Second step, identify the problem that your audience is struggling with. That's where the gold is. That's where the money is. That's where the revenue is. What are they struggling with? And then ask yourself, what would they pay to solve that problem? Think about the problems you have in your life. What would you pay to solve that problem? And then once you understand your audience, you understand the problem, and then you understand what they'd pay for it, then it's very simple. Build a simple offer. Just one solution, maybe one coaching, one group, one price. You don't need some elaborate funnel or some small offer or some launch. You just need one offer to solve one problem that they're willing to pay for. Now, let me leave you with this. Most creators are not starting from zero. They're starting from hidden opportunity. Many of us have an audience that's already there. You've already built that trust. And problems already that they have are worth money. The money's there. It's just not structured. The money is there. Listen to me. It's not just structured. And once you fix that structure, trust me, everything changes. And if you want me to review your show and find your hidden money, this is what we're talking about today. It's all about the hidden money. Go to contentcreatorsaccountant.com/audit and apply for that content monetization audit. Do it right now. Do it before you decide to do something else. Let's turn your content into a real business because that's what I do. I'm Ralph E. Stepp Jr., and I am the Content Creators Accountant, and I'll see you in the next episode.